Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about how when you get started and sign up to Operance, how you start your first project. Well, it goes a little something like this. So when you come to Operance and you've signed in, you add your email and you get given a special key. You put that key in and that gives you access to Operance. Here we go. The first thing you'll see is this little message here. Let's make a start. So from here, what we want to do is press the plus button and we get prompted to create an organization. And that's really important. Before we can actually add projects, we must create an organization that those projects are associated with. And then that organization, by default, becomes the owner of that information. So it's really important we create an organization first. This is how that works. You click OK. The name of the organization, I'm going to go with a completely made up company now. I'm going to pretend I am the construction company on a project. We can put in a domain for that particular company. And the domain itself, in this particular instance, is this. The domain is really important in itself as well. You must match the text after your email address. And this will be used to verify and auto add users to this organization in the future. Makes it super easy to track people within your organization and make sure we don't get duplicate organizations or duplicate users as well. From here, we can put in an address. Let's say, let's go with our head office. That would make it super simple. Oh, that's typical. Our office doesn't exist. Let's go, there we go. Pull that in and create that organization. Excellent. Straight away, now we can add a project. So let's say the something, again, completely made up. We'll go in the residential sector and we'll say it's 8 floors high. We can put a budget in there should we want to. Let's say a £20 million scheme. And again, we can put then the street name in there. Let's say completely made up one for now. And we can create that project. And boom, there it is. The bar at the bottom pops up to tell you your project has been successfully created. And there we go. By default, the project drops into the concept stage. And if you remember, if you've seen the demos before, we have these 4 stages: concept, design, construction, occupation. All that feed into the REBA stages of work as well. And they're split by the usual gateways. And these gateways relate to the golden thread, and in particular, the Building Safety Act, whereby projects can only pass the next stage once information has been checked by the building safety regulator and they've provided their building assurance certificate, particular gateways 2 and 3. So as default, any new project comes in and drops in at the concept stage. But if it's not a high-risk building, that can be moved to any other stage. And that's it. That's how to create projects in Operance.